Hello guys and welcome on my channel Flames Adventures. In this video I'm going to take a look at my Lone Rider MotoBags that I use on my KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Alright, I have two different capacities of the Lone Rider MotoBags, a 38 liter and a 31 liter motorcycle bag. The MotoBags are attached to the panniers with the quick release system and are secured with a key lock. So let's take a back of the bike. When you open the lock and lift the quick release, you can directly take the MotoBag off the bike. So that's going quick and easy. At the back of the MotoBag there's a metal plate with the rack bumpers and the quick release system, and all those are adjustable to fit the rack on your motorcycle. The metal plate is attached to the MotoBag with bolts to the nuts inside the bag. When delivered, the rack bumpers are placed to fit on a BMW GS, so I had to make some adjustments to make it fit on my KTM side carriers. So let's put it back on the bike. You just put it on the carrier, close the quick release and close the lock, and the MotoBag is secured to the motorcycle rack. The MotoBags are made from Hypalon, a scratch and weather resistant material, and a dead insect here. How is that possible? So the bags are high quality and they can take a lot before they really got damaged. These are semi-rigid MotoBags. They keep their shape like a hard case but flex when hitting something, and they return to their original shape after impact. The bags are secured with a combination lock, so you have to remember 4 numbers to get to your stuff. After removing the lock, you open the clips, unhook the metal lock plates and the clip, and you can unroll the MotoBag. So the MotoBags have a waterproof rollback design and are lockable. Inside is a complete waterproof inner bag. The inner bag has carrying straps and a shoulder strap, which is also removable. So you can easily carry the inner bag to your hotel or wherever you want to go with it. The inner bag has also a rollback design, so to open it, you just unclip the clips and unroll the inner bag. Closing the inner bag is the reverse. Roll it up, press the air out and close and tighten the straps. To close the MotoBag, roll it up 3 times and press the air out. Close the clips and roll it under the metal plate. Secure it with the combination lock, and after closing the final straps, you're ready to go. This is a real outdoor adventure motorcycle bag. A Molle system all around the bag to connect other bags or equipment. There's even a Molle webbing at the bottom side, so you can attach other Lone Rider bags, like this Lone Rider mini bag with a 6 liter capacity, or you can attach other stuff like this first aid kit or a compact fishing rod, which I modified to make it Molle compatible. There are also small loops around the bag to attach other Lone Rider gear with G-hook straps. There are replaceable bottom corner protectors and reflective stripes, and also the possibility to add a country flag on this Velcro patch. To carry the MotoBags you have 1 strap on top and carrying straps on the sides. At the bottom there are 2 small holes to make it easy to press the air out when closing the roll top. To clean, simply rinse the MotoBag with water. When you want to store the MotoBags when not using them, you can compress the bags by using these G-hook straps. I remove them because I store the bags just like they are. When you open the bag, you can remove the inner bottom plate by opening the Velcro flaps. The flex plate is also with Velcro at the ends and you can remove it from the bag. After removing the plate, you can fold the roll top inside the bag and put the folded plate in the bag without crushing it. Then you can compress the MotoBag with the G-hook straps and the top and bottom straps to save space when not using them. Okay, let's check the capacity. We have the 31-liter inner bag here and it's filled up with my clothes and shoes to give an idea of the capacity. To keep everything organized, I use the Lone Rider travel packing cubes, which are designed to fit in these MotoBags. I also use a self-made compact toiletry bag. It contains a large, medium and small packing cube, a laundry bag, a shoe bag and a toiletry bag. The large, medium and small Lone Rider packing cubes have a mesh top panel and a grip on the side to pull it out of your motorcycle bag. When you open the bottom zipper, you can enlarge them or compress them. The top zipper opens the mesh panel. These are very nice designed packing cubes made from water repellent ripstop. Okay, let's open the other MotoBag. This is the 38-liter MotoBag, so the one with the largest capacity. And I filled the inner bag with my camping gear. When I remove the adventure food, you can see my gear to make the overnight. Here's my hiking tent, a sleeping bag, sleeping mat, a pillow, a lightweight towel, a cooking pot, adventure food, a lightweight chair and a camp saw. So all the important stuff fits in the motorcycle bags. The dimensions of the MotoBags are 44 cm by 40 cm and a width of 24 cm for the 38-liter bag and 20 for the 31-liter bag. And the total weight mounted on the Touratech side carriers of my KTM is 110 cm, and that exceeds the width of my mirrors, which is 94 cm, and that's something that I have to keep in mind. There's also extra stuff that comes with the MotoBags, some extra spare parts like bolts and plastic clips, a spare key for the quick release system, a rubber cleaning pad, a wrench and a Torx Allen key, a Lone Rider keychain, 2 Lone Rider combination locks, a Lone Rider motorcycle buff and a Lone Rider sticker set. Now, how do you change the combination lock code? Let's say that you ride a BMW and to make the code easy to remember, it's 1250. But I want to change the code, so I just turn it 90 degrees and press. And I change the code to 1290 now, like my KTM bike. And that's it. The code is changed to 1290. Easy peasy. I've been using these bags for 2 years now and I'm really satisfied with it. The design has been well thought out. These motorcycle bags are of high quality and breed adventure. They combine the advantages of hard cases with soft luggage, with the result that they bend on impact. What I like the most is the Molle system around the bag to add other Molle compatible bags and items just as you like. That and the weatherproof design makes them the perfect motorcycle bags for me. So, this was my Lone Rider MotoBags video. Please subscribe my channel Flames Adventures and I hope I see you back.